What is up, y'all? Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm, where we're working to live a more sustainable life connected to nature and all that God has provided for us. Welcome. Today is just a gorgeous day out here in southeastern North Carolina, and I just pulled the tractor up here to the garden and greenhouse where we are finishing replacing all of these raised garden beds with brand new Vigo raised garden beds. So we have one holdout, and the reason we've had this holdout is because we've had collard greens and spinach planted in this bed, and I'm telling you, all through summer, we've had snow, we've had freezing rain, and we've still been harvesting these vegetables, all organic. So the collard greens and the spinach, and they've been delicious. So we've been really happy about that. But time has now come to remove this last garden bed and replace this with the Vigo garden beds. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock this last one out. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to get it all done. I'm going to hopefully get it done pretty quickly and then give you all a tour of our garden and our greenhouse, because I realized that I've never done that before on YouTube. I think we've done it on Instagram before, but never on YouTube. So I am going to get to work here, especially before it gets too warm, because I'll tell you, even though it's late February, it is heating up quickly out here. I'm going to be sweating, probably have my shirt off just to soak up some of that good vitamin D, and keep myself healthy and get to work out here. So stay hydrated, of course, and bring you all along for the ride. So right, here we go. Hey, well, what's up? That's a good kitty. That's a good farm kitty. All right, y'all, so that was a project. I'll tell you what, we've been spending months just slowly replacing these beds, and I'm so glad it is finally done, and it looks awesome. So we have replaced all of those old, dilapidated, falling apart, wooden raised garden beds that we put in a couple of years ago, and now we have these absolutely beautiful, sleek, metal raised garden beds from Vigo Gardens, and they're going to last us a lifetime. Problem solved. I'm super stoked. I will say, don't make the same mistakes we did. Just go with the good, durable metal raised garden beds the first time, so you don't have to go through the pain of what we had to go through. You all saw, if you've been watching the videos, it's moving dirt. I mean, it is just hard work, but we absolutely love the outcome of this. So we have replaced a total of 8 of those raised garden beds, and then we added 4 in the back and 2 in the front. I mean, so we have all the ample room that we need to plant all of the organic vegetables, all the flowers that my wife wants to plant. So much room. It is absolutely awesome. So now I wanna show you all the greenhouse. So come on. All right, y'all, so we built this greenhouse not too long after we had moved into our house. And during our building process, we saved every bit of scrap lumber we possibly could. And that is what we used to build this greenhouse. We built this all ourselves. It was my own, back of the napkin design based off of exactly what Heather wanted, because that's how it works here. She designs, I build, and that's all we used was reclaimed wood. So not only that, we reclaimed a lot of other pieces within this greenhouse as well. So for instance, the front door that we have right here, this was actually a door that they had to replace in our house, and we saved it. They let us keep it, which was awesome because they were just going to throw it out anyways. And we saved it and reclaimed it and used it for the front door. The windows on the side, all of the windows on the side, those are all from a local reclaim shop that we go to every once in a while looking for product. And we reclaimed 6 of those windows, and we built them into the design itself, which is super cool. I'll show you inside in a little bit, but we have a lot of cool stuff in the inside as well. But yeah, I mean, we love to use what we already have to build what we want to build. So this entire greenhouse was built with reclaimed wood. All right, y'all, this is my wife's happy place. This is where she does she gets a lot of her seedlings started, where she keeps a lot of her equipment and, gardening tools. She decorated this herself. She loves just the antiques that she can find. And yeah, this is just, we have running water here, which is great, which helps to like water all the plants. And this is just her absolute happy spot. Now, one thing you'll notice that is a pure staple here always on Wild Hearts Farm is a chandelier. We actually reclaimed this chandelier from our old house before we moved into this one. The new owners didn't want it, so they let us take it, and we thought this would be a great place for it. I'm constantly banging my head in it, so I don't love it. But hey, this isn't my spot, this is hers, and she absolutely loves the chandelier. Talking about reclaiming stuff. So we found this awesome sink out in the woods. It's an old farm sink that we just absolutely love. And I yanked this out of the woods. We cleaned it up real nice and threw it in here, and it just looks pretty awesome. And of course, the other little antique things we find, in barns and whatnot, that just kind of spruces the place up. And here you can see we have all these reclaimed windows that we use to bring in all the light in here to help these plants grow and to keep it nice and warm up here. And the roof, of course, is just that clear plexiglass roofing material. And yeah, it brings sunlight in here. It helps us be able to sort of like plant the seedlings and basically grow almost year round, which is just awesome. So Heather's going to be getting started here pretty soon to start getting these seedlings going, and it's going to be an awesome growing season. All right, y'all, so the 4 beds on each side, those were the existing beds that we actually swapped up, but let me show you where we have some of the new beds. So you can already see back here we added, on the other side of the fence, we've actually added 4 more beds back here, which is just awesome. This is the back side of our greenhouse. We have to get a better door here. We just use, that's an old interior bathroom door, and it's getting a little bit dilapidated. But we have we have water out here, which is absolutely awesome. And of course, back over here, our other 4 beds that have already been there. We have drip irrigation in all of these beds, which really works out very well. And here you can see those really cool windows. And then back to the front here, y'all, we have these last 2 beds, and the pergola is going to be going up here. And then we have a lazy farm dog. Yeah. He said, oh, no, listen, don't get up for us. Enjoy it out here. All right, y'all, there you have it. I cannot recommend these Vigo garden beds more. They're awesome. Love the way they look. They're going to be so durable. We're never going to do this again. And this has been quite the project, and I'm just stoked that it's finally all done. Uh, anyways, thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for, really? All right, and cut. All right, y'all. So there you have it. Obviously the bed's a little barren right now because it's still February. Don't let the beautiful sunshine in the t-shirt fool you. It's still February. So I think there's a couple more frosts probably planned for this year, but Heather's gonna be out here. She's gonna be getting her seedlings started. She's gonna get ready to start planting these beds. And next time I show you all the greenhouse and garden, it's gonna be just exploding with vegetables and flowers and fruit as well. We have a nice little orchard back here that we've just planted some fruit trees, and we've got peach, we got pear, we got fig. Those will start blossoming as well. So we are super excited, and that's what we're doing out here, right? We're trying to live a more sustainable life connected to nature, and part of that is feeding ourselves. And it's really great that we can do that, and it's nice, healthy, all organic vegetables and fruits, which is just so important to us. So thank you all for tuning in. I hope you like the videos. If this is your first time visiting, hit that subscribe button. This is just the start. We do a lot out here to live a sustainable life connected to nature and all that God has provided. We have a lot more videos to show you guys. You might learn a thing or two, or just, it's just kind of interesting stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like it if you like the video, and just thank you all so much for tuning in. God bless you, and until next time, have a blessed day.